Before we install the rear brake pads, we have to install the brake pad springs, and there's two different types. This is the early type and this is the late type, and one only needs one, not both, and they install differently. The early type simply goes around here, and this part, this inside part clips on the inside, and the springy part out here keeps it on, and same thing up here, put it on so it's even top to bottom, and same thing on the other side. I already put that on. And then there is the late type, which clips on the edge of the pad like this, and then we install the pad near this side first with it on. And it can go on either side of the pad. I kind of like to install it on the side where it pushes it toward the rotation, so like this being the driver's side, normally it rotates this way, so normally I would put this on top so it pushes it in the same way as the rotation of the disc. But now we're not gonna use this because we'll use the earlier type. And the brake pads are installed pretty simply. Just push them in, push on the spring and against the disc. Same thing on the other side. There.